Today is April Fool's Day, and tonight begins Passover. And spring is outside doing what spring does, pushing up through the ground, whether conditions are right or not. I've been sitting with all that this morning because something happened to me last night that fits perfectly with all of it. I was falling asleep, finally, and a complete children's book series arrived, fully formed. Characters, arc, the emotional through line, everything. I dreamed about it all night. Got the bones of it on paper this morning, and I've never written fiction before. And right now, it is arriving as naturally as breathing. I keep looking around and thinking, where did that come from? But I think I know. It comes from the same place everything comes from when the ground is ready. Not from planning, not from pushing, from something that was insisting underneath everything, whether I scheduled it or not. That's what April Fool's is really about, I think. The joke is on certainty, on the idea that we control what wants to emerge, or when, or how. Passover says the crossing happens before you know it's safe. Spring says the shoot doesn't wait for your permission. Apparently, children's book series don't either. So here's what I want to ask you today. What is insisting in you right now? Not what you've planned, not what makes logical sense. What is pushing up through? That's worth noticing today. Happy April Fools. Happy Passover. Happy spring. I'll see you soon.